What is up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the shop again. I'm your host James here at Apparel Design Works. Today we're going to be working on the badges for the Jeep. I've had a lot of questions about how we made them, and I thought I'd give you a little preview of how I did it. The reason why I'm standing on the tree bar is because I had a couple of guys asking how strong it is. So here I am standing on it, bouncing up and down on the Jeep. No deflection at all. Standing right here on the end. You know, I'm a good solid 200 pounds and no problems. So that's that. So I hope you enjoy the episode. I wanted to throw in too, guys, don't forget to stay to the end of this video where I'm going to throw out a little keyword, throw it down in the comments, mix it in your comments so everybody kind of can't tell maybe. And I'm going to pick one lucky winner in probably about 2 weeks after this video comes out, and we'll send you a little prize, okay? Peace out. We're here in the office making some new badges. We're going to do vinyl over some orange acrylic. Come on, baby. It's going to look like that. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. So we just cut it out over here on the plotter. It's not there. Let's do this one. So hopefully you guys can see this. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and weed out this cut. All right, check it out. So one of the cool things about using the sticky back tape on this before we laser it is that the laser cuts out the foam at the same time as it's cutting out the acrylic. So we get this perfect cut of the sticky back tape. And as you can see there, so that just is pretty sweet, saves some time. And then when we're ready to install, you just peel off that red backing off the foam and apply it on the Jeep. So I'm going to peel off this gray or this cardboard here, and we'll put the vinyl on. So now I'm just going to peel this off of the backing. And the reason why I left the black out there is so that I can line this guy right up on there. So now I'm going to take this Line this up right on the edges. Like that. Peel it off. Boom. Alright, there it is. So again, don't message me asking for these. We're not going to make them to sell because of copyright issues, but you know, I just made these for my own Jeep. You probably can find, I'm sure, stuff like this online, on eBay or something coming out of China or whatever, I don't know. But we've gotten a bunch of copyright strikes in the past for another business that we have, and we don't want to deal with it here, but that's how we made them. So I got a lot of people asking about it, so sweet. Alright, looks pretty good, guys. Aluminum side window. Oh, Gavin's busting out the lights. This will go down here like that. That looks super sweet. It's like a 3D. That'll look good with the all the orange suspension. Oh yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell. You know the drill. And the secret word for this video is going to be badge or badges. Leave it, mix it in your comments somehow down below. And I'm going to send out a little surprise for one lucky person. So I'll pick that in a couple weeks. Hopefully we'll get through this whole COVID-19 thing. And that's it. Everybody be safe out there. And it's a crazy world right now. So just keep doing what you're doing. Be safe. We love you guys. Peace out.